So how does my bionic hand work? So my bionic hand is controlled by myoelectric signals. Those are the electrical manifestations of neuromuscular activation of a muscle. In simpler terms, when I have sensors inside my arm that sit on my skin, and when I flex different parts of my arm, that sends messages down to the computer inside my forearm, which then sends a control signal to my hand telling it whether to open or close. Now, let me pop this guy on. Need a little bit of nub lube. And then once I'm all lubed up, I'm gonna pop this sucker on. There we go. And then I turn it on. And there we go. It turns on right away. I got that light right there in my arm that tells me how much battery I have. It's also my charger and the on and off switch. It's kind of like a watch charger. It's magnetic. Now, when I want to make it move, I flex it to close it, open it up, flex it again. Now I have a playlist of hand positions memorized, and when I open it all the way, it'll beep, and then I'll go to the next position in my playlist. There we go. We got a fist. And then if I want to move something else, pop the thumb, different position with the thumbs moved. There we go. And then got a button on the back. Now I switch to a new playlist position. All this is programmed by my doctor. The arm connects to Bluetooth, and then on his computer, he can control the order of the hand positions, what hand positions I have loaded, the speed, the torque, the strength. And so if I ever need that changed, I can go to him, but there's other hands that you can control with your phone. Personally, I went with BeBionic because I didn't really like the idea that if somebody could hack my phone, they could also hack my arm. But that's just a personal preference. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions.